Returning to work while continuing to breastfeed can feel like a challenge, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we're uncovering the secrets to successfully breastfeeding at work. Whether you're a new mom or planning ahead, these tips will help you maintain a balance between your career and providing the best for your baby. Breastfeeding is more than just nutrition. It's about connection, health benefits, and emotional well-being for both you and your baby. Continuing to breastfeed when you return to work has long-term benefits, including fewer illnesses for your baby and less time off work for you. If you're passionate about creating a supportive workplace for breastfeeding moms, share your story in the comments below. Your experience could inspire others. Preparation is key. Start by talking to your employer about your plans. Discuss options for flexible schedules, private spaces for pumping, and storage facilities. Many workplaces are open to finding solutions once they're informed of your needs. Next, practice using your breast pump a few weeks before your return to work. This helps you get comfortable and establishes a freezer stash of milk. Have you tried a pump you love? Drop a recommendation in the comments to help other moms. Start your day by packing essentials like your pump, storage bags, and a cooler. Set aside dedicated times for pumping. Treat them like important meetings. Most workplaces are required by law to provide reasonable break time and a private space for nursing mothers. Staying consistent with your pumping schedule will help maintain your milk supply. And if you hit a snag, don't stress. Every little bit counts. Make your voice heard. If you think your workplace could do more to support breastfeeding, consider starting a conversation or joining a local advocacy group. Every mom's journey is unique, and there may be bumps along the way. If you feel stressed, talk to other breastfeeding moms for advice and support. Online communities can be a great resource. It's okay to mix breastfeeding with formula if needed. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about doing what works best for you and your baby. Need support? Check the description box for links to helpful resources and communities for breastfeeding moms. Breastfeeding at work might feel like a juggling act, but with preparation, communication, and support, you can make it work. You're not alone in this journey. Thousands of moms are successfully balancing their careers and breastfeeding. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips, and share it with someone who might need encouragement today.